Aquarius, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your forecast for the month of February 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall reading, and I'll also use some oracle decks. To wrap up this reading, I'll use Celtic Lenormand for messages from the universe. So let's just dive into your reading without wasting any further time. Towards the final days of January 2021, stepping into February, we have the Ten of Wands. Certainly, there was a lot of pressure on you. Possibly, you were overburdened on account of work, or on account of your family problems as well. Maybe there were issues that you had to deal with. Sometimes you may have also isolated yourself because you didn't have the drive or the focus to move forward. Nonetheless, this was also an awakening moment. Maybe people had helped you out, whoever you had relied on for assistance. Interestingly, in this period, there were also some food treats or shopping was also on the cards. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Seven of Cups. You are in a reflective mode, no doubt. Maybe you're carrying this energy and you're withdrawn and isolated from the rest of the pack. I'm also picking up that maybe you will think about the choices in front of you all which are there ahead of you. Many times you will also be gripped by nostalgia. Many of you may also be thinking of a suitable job, or maybe you are thinking about choices with respect to your professional life. Perhaps you're also dealing with boredom on the work front. Ideally, I think you should avoid isolating yourself. Maybe you're very emotional and you cannot take in the criticism. Maybe some people may also feel that you're a bit meddlesome. Largely, I think Aquarians, you'll have to deal with the relationship issues, or there'll be restrictions that are there which are imposed upon you by your family elders. Incidentally, in this month, I'm also picking up that maybe you'll be concerned about the security of your loved ones. Influences for the month for Aquarius, we have the Five of Cups. Again, in this card as well, this lady, she seems to be beside herself. Maybe she is very emotional or she's overreacting to situations. Basically, I think Aquarians, you should weigh the pros and cons before you point fingers at others. Maybe there's mistrust in the relationship as well. You should also guard your cards close to your chest. Maybe you should not reveal whatever you are desiring of. Professionally also, you could do well if you would focus or refocus, because there are a tendency to get distracted because of the interruptions that are there. Nonetheless, I think there'll be situations where your colleagues will rally around you. Maybe you could also hear from a new client. First 10 days of February, we have the Strength card. Surprises are in store for you in this period, though there'll be minor irritants, but then you could also make gains. I think you should collaborate with other people and you should cooperate, because that will bring you opportunities to make headway. You should also ignore those clients who desire more from you, or who want to give you a pittance, but they extract more than their pound of flesh. I think you're also someone who is going to weigh the pros and cons in any situation. That is why you'll be sought after for your words of wisdom. Maybe you're not reckless, or you deliberate carefully before you come to conclusions. Basically, in this period, the stress of work would be there, but then you will be able to complete a lot. I think you have a lot to deal with. Like I said, you need to collaborate. So you should also listen to the point of view of others in case you want to make some progress. For some of you, I'm also picking up that maybe there could be obstacles in your path because of poor connectivity, or maybe gadgets could malfunction, or maybe equipment is made unavailable to you. 11th to 20th February, we have the Fool card. Possibly you will be making travel plans, or then you could be up and about in this period. We clarified the Fool, so we have the Seven of Wands. I think sudden developments are quite likely. Maybe you will also make gains on account of your acquaintances or contacts. So ideally, you should ink the deal before you should get payment, before you move ahead and offer your services. It's a time to be firm. Even in case somebody else is collaborating with you, I think even that person could tell a client to pay up so that the person doesn't take undue advantage of you. As a boss, you should enumerate or point out whatever you have done to bring in progress or to make the workplace more professional. Maybe you should highlight your contributions, but I think you're someone who doesn't want to beat about the bush, or you don't want to talk about your success. So that is why your juniors could talk about it. In this period also, you will do well if you would promote yourself. 21st to 28th February, we have the 10 of Cups. Overall contentment can be expected for Aquarians in this period. I think you should rush and finalize deals in this period. In fact, you could also get more, or you can expect more from your clients. There'll be minor worries as well, but then you can expect positive feedback, and you'll also be appreciated by your colleagues or co-workers. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you'll be aware of the ploys of your rivals. Maybe your jealous superiors deliberately trying to put you down. Also, as a boss, I think you would do well if you have a flexible approach. In this month, Aquarians, I'm also picking up that you should follow your sixth sense and you should focus on spiritual growth or healing as well. With respect to your love life, we have the card, you are all I ever wanted. Certainly the person you are dealing with, or even you, if you have someone on your mind, you will understand that this person is whom you want to spend your life with. Interestingly, in this month, several members of the opposite sex are going to be attracted to you. I mean, they will try to get your attention. Possibly their body language could be a giveaway, or they may be talking loudly to get your attention. It is flattering, no doubt, but then you also don't want unwanted attention. Maybe there could be attention on the social media as well. Maybe somebody from a different community could also show an interest in you, but then you are disinclined or disinterested. Those who are crushing on someone, I think you'll continue to cyberstalk the person. Oftentimes, you'll be overcome with nostalgia as well. Interestingly, this month, Aquarians, I'm also picking up that maybe you could be surprised to hear from an ex, but you don't want anything to do with that person. Romancing Aquarians, I think you will exchange love notes with your person, but maybe if you are in a hush-hush relationship, then you will be careful of prying eyes. By the way, I think Aquarians who are romancing, you may find that your lover is insecure because you have excess attention coming from other members of the opposite sex. Whatever it is, you will have good exchange with your partner. Maybe he thinks that you're a very confident and positive person. He is going to be generous with compliments. Married Aquarians, I think you'll be concerned about your family's safety this month. Ideally, I think you should let your spouse be privy about your plans in case you're going out of the home. So you should let him know about your whereabouts in advance. Those who are in an unhappy marriage, I think you want to be with your extramarital lover. Maybe you think there's no future in the marriage. Interestingly, I'm also picking up that there could be an estrangement in a relationship for some of you. So maybe you want to move out of the family home as well. In this month, Aquarians, you should also be careful because estranged people could also enter your life. From Lenormand, we have the card Cross. Certainly, there are burdens that you have to deal with. There certainly, maybe it could be the work pressure. I think some of you are also looking at spiritual advancement because I did outline in this reading that spiritual growth is quite likely. Basically, these burdens are something which you have to deal with. Another card we have here is the Book. Certainly, Aquarians, you are called upon to do more research, or maybe you need to study further or enhance your skill set because it could help you make progress at work. Maybe some of you are also looking for esoteric knowledge or spiritual knowledge as well. This is certainly going to help you evolve as a person as well. I hope Aquarians, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.